Welcome back. Now we'll be learning how to edit our images with InShot app. So we head up to open our InShot app now. InShot app, we open it. Allow. Once you have opened it like this, so if you are editing image, so you go to image, you go to photo, not video. So go to photo, allow all. So just pick one of your image. I'm picking this one. So this one is now on the page now. This is InShot page. So to start editing it, let's look at the tools one after the other. So this canvas, you see where there is canvas. So this one is just like a frame, the frame of your image, how you want it to be. Maybe you want to use it for, and what you want to use it for will determine the frame you give to it. So let's open it, canvas. So you can decide to increase it so that it will be bold, and you can decide to reduce it. So this is the original frame. So if you are using it on TikTok, you can change it to a TikTok aspect ratio. You see 9:16 is for TikTok, so you can change it to TikTok aspect ratio. So if you are using it for YouTube, aspect ratio for YouTube is 16:9, so you change it to YouTube. So as me, you are using this picture for YouTube, so you can increase it and drag it down, or you reduce it, so as you wish. So once you are done, you mark it. So wherever you need it will determine the frame. So let me take it back to no frame. So this is the original frame. This is the original frame for this picture. So this one is okay for this. So you just mark it. Now filter. This filter is, maybe you want to change the filter. You don't know what it means. Maybe you want it to be more clean. So you can come to this upper part, skin, you change it anyhow you want to edit this picture. This picture is already nice. This is just about the filter. Adjust, you can click adjust. The lightning, you increase it or reduce it as you want. The contrast, tint, so just edit it here the way you want. So once you are done with that, just mark it. So this is the work of this filter. If you want to put a text on it, you can put it, but before that, let's go and remove this background. So just come to this cutout. When you press cutout, the background will be removed. So once you are done, you click this mark button. So for the let me go back to, okay, let's move forward. So once you have cut it out, if you don't want to do that action again, you press this arrow, which is undo. Are you getting it? So I want to redo it, I press the second one. So that's just it. Once you do that, the next thing, you want to write text. You write any text that you wish on it, and you edit the text. These are ways you can edit it on top of it. This AA stands for the normal fonts which you can give to it. So giving it font, if you want to give it color, you can just give it any color that you wish. If you don't want to stress yourself, you can just come to this A that have color. So this A that have color, you'll be able to give it color and font at once. So just choose anyone you want, choose any style you want, and it is okay. So here, these are the special ones. You can come to captions, you can choose anyone. You can come to label to put a label on it. Remember, don't choose anyone that have sticker. Anyone that have sticker that means you pay for it. So choose anyone that is free. And title, if you want a title, you give it title that you want. But let's leave it on label so that let's leave it on label. So just mark it when you are done editing the text. And once you are done editing the text, what other things can you say you want to do? Background. If you want to give it another background, just come to this background. When you come to the background, you just give it any background that you love. Let me give it this one. This is a photo. If you say you should bring background from your gallery, it will not show very well, but you can still bring it. So this is your gallery here. When you tap your gallery, so you can just go and bring the background that you want to the page. Let me take this. So that's the background, even though it's not showing very well. So that's the background. Then you mark the, so you use your hand to adjust it to sit right on the background. So you mark it. So once you are done with that one, I think these are the major ones that you might say you want to do. PIP. So when you tap PIP, you'll be able to bring image to that one. So let me bring the same image to the page. So let me just reduce it. So I'll put it here like this. So I want to duplicate it. Because I'm still clicking this image, this small one, you can see that all the tools to edit it is here. So if I want to edit it, I want to fit anything that I want to draw on it. So I want to delete, to replace it. I want to replace it with another one. So I want to flip it. You see, I want to copy it. It's not true. So any adjustment I want to make, you make it. When you are done editing it, you unclick it. You come to this place, you'll be able to learn more. So this arrow that is facing towards the left is for me to undo what I just do now. If I press it again, what I do before will be undo. If I press it again, what I do before then will undo. If I press it again, that is how I'll be undoing what I've done. So if I now press this one facing right, that means I want to redo it. Redo. Can see everything is coming back. So that's just it. When you are done, you need to, I'm not seeing InShot app. InShot logo is not here, but it's supposed to be there, but I do not see it on this one. So once you are done, you just export it. You come to this upper part, you see export. It has export. So once you click on export, you see it in your gallery. That's just it. Thank you.